Friend, in this tutorial, I will show how can we export or save pictures from an Excel file. Let's start. At first, I opened an Excel file, which has attached picture. Sometimes we need to attach pictures in an Excel file for reference or details. Let's see, how can we save or export this picture from an Excel file? Select and expand the picture that we want to save. Copy this picture and go to the Paint from the Windows search box. After opening the Paint, select All from the selection options and paste the picture, which you copy from Excel. We can resize the picture from here, before saving. Now click on Save, and select JPG or PNG format, as per your requirement. I save this picture on my desktop. As same as, we can save all pictures from Excel by Microsoft Paint. Now I go to save my second picture from Excel. Open MS Paint as like previously. Paste image. Save as like previously. Remember, our saved picture quality depends on our Excel picture resolution. If our attached image resolution is good, then we can find a good resolution in the saved picture. Paste image. Friends, we can resize pictures as per our requirement. Third picture saving is done. Now, I close this file and open all saved pictures on the desktop. Let's see. Here are my all pictures, which I save or export from Excel. I hope, after watching this video, now you can save pictures from your Excel file by MS Paint. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials.